at the Amazon warehouse, fam. Full house. We're a little bit early today. A little bit early. Man, it's busy today, huh? Tuesday at 3:30 a.m. Tuesday at 3:30 a.m. Fam. Looks like a busy day. Looks like a busy day at the Amazon. Let's get it. Busy day at the warehouse, fam. No parking. My block doesn't start till like another 20 minutes. Alright guys, today we got 31 stops, 32 packages. 31 stops, 32 packages. First 10 front seat. Second 10 back seat. And then the last third trunk. So once again, first third front seat, second third back seat, and last third in the trunk. All right, let's go, fam. All right, fam, today I finally finished my route early. 32 stops, 32 packages. It is 7 o'clock, so this block started at 4:15, so it's what 2 hours 45 minutes, and the pay is 136 or so. So pretty good block today, fam. It was mostly urban, you know. Average from one delivery to the next is like 2 or 3 minutes. 32 stops, 32 packages in 2 hours 45 minutes, and the pay is I think 136 or something. Yeah, so finally winning block today, fam. The last few blocks has been I got stuck twice, and the one before this one took me like 30 minutes longer, but today's block was good, fam. 2 hours 45 minutes, only drove 22 miles, and yeah, well, it's a 3 hour and 3.5 hour block, but I finished it in 2 hours 45 minutes. So now I'm just gonna go get an oil change and go home and take a little nap. Yeah, only slept like 30 minutes, or I took a 30-minute nap last night. Super early block, but it's worth it, fam. Thank you everybody for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.
2,000 years later.
Aisle 10.
$2,000 years later.
Busy morning at Amazon Flex Warehouse, fam. Busy morning, busy morning. Looks like about 80 cars right now. 80 cars flexing in Denver, baby. Let's get it. Busy day at the warehouse. Busy day, busy day. Let's go make some shmoney. Alright, fam, last third in the trunk, second third back seat, first third front seat. Let's get it. Yeah, so the method for this warehouse is you scan them, put the first third in the front seat, second third back seat, last third in the trunk. And then the second method is you look at the yellow sticker, yeah, so there's two types of Amazon Flex package. One of them, it tells you the order. The other one, you have to scan it to see what order it is in the itinerary. All right, fam, let's go deliver some smiles. Let's get it.
"50 feet, turn left onto a driveway."
All right, fam, we're like 1/3 of the way in. We might finish this right early, we'll see. Just finished a little live stream on the side hustle tutorial. Now we're back to the regular YouTube video. Let's get it. Last package. All my delivery drivers know that feeling, right? Best feeling ever. Last package, baby. Yeah, we smashed today's route. Everything went very smooth. Last package, and we're done. Gonna go to the car dealership after this, fam. Thank you, thank you everybody for watching all the way to the end. This video is only 7 minutes, so I gotta put in another 2 minutes. Here's a message from my sponsor, WeBull. Please sign up for WeBull using my link in the video's description, or in the channel's description, or in the comment section below. Sign up, make a deposit, and get up to 12 fractional shares. Thank you, WeBull, for sponsoring this channel. Thank you, everybody. And just an update, I recently signed up for Shipped VHO. I am approved with VHO, but due to vehicle problems, I have to drop my first ever block with VHO the other day, so that was a bummer, fam. And thank you, Ray William Johnson, for reacting to my eating DoorDash video. That was pretty awesome. And we're still waiting on the expungement. What else is new? I put down my deposit for a brand new car. I'm not gonna review the car yet, so thanks for all the love and support, fam. I really appreciate it. 2023, let's get them. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace. Please sign up for WeBull. Link in the video description. Thank you, fam. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Peace.